and welcome to another macrocosm video. A stunning dance between two galaxies, the spiral NGC 1512, the largest in the image, and its little neighbor NGC 1510, has just been recorded in a new image by astronomers. They are situated 60 million light-years away from us in the southern sky, in the direction of the constellation Horologium. The image shows NGC 1512 reaching out to touch its adjacent, smaller buddy, NGC 1510. The brilliant stream of light connecting the two galaxies reveals that they interact because to their shared gravity, which has been happening for 400 million years. Both the speed of star creation and the morphologies of the two galaxies have been altered by this gravitational interaction. These galaxies will eventually combine to form a larger one in the far future. The picture was taken by researchers using the Dark Energy Camera, DECAM, one of the most potent cameras in existence. The VM Blanco 4-meter telescope at Cerro Tololo Inter-American Observatory in Chile houses the instrument on top of it. Amazing fact. The DECAM was conceived and constructed during a 6-year period, from 2004 to 2010. In order to better understand dark energy and its function in accelerating the expansion of the universe, it was developed to carry out the Dark Energy Survey, a worldwide operation that surveyed hundreds of millions of galaxies and discovered thousands of supernovae. And that's all for today. Hope you liked this video. Stay connected to get more knowledge about the space. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel.